So today we're going to be showing off a Pops and Bangs tune that I made with the guidance of Rob's house. I'm voicing over because I mixed up a few things while recording this real time while driving. I've been wanting to make my car's exhaust pop more, and it already did with my headers tune, but only at a very low RPM and not too much. So with that, I went searching and I came across this video. It was really informative and super helpful. I won't go into too much detail on the process in this video, but I will link his video that covers how to use HP tuners to achieve this effect and everything else you need to know to get the tune done on your own. I will say that the virtual torque values in his and my video aren't a one-size-fit-all. The method of changing the virtual torque is the same, but the numerical values shouldn't be copied. So right here, I'm about to do a pull in first gear up to 5k RPM, and you'll see how good the tune works. So it'll do that anytime I'm coming down from about 3 to 5k and up RPM off a downshift. On my initial calibration, I had to really run the car like super hard to get good pops. So I went back and repeated the method on the virtual torque table, and it made it a lot easier for me to have the car spit more fuel into the exhaust. For my minimum spark table, I've got -12 on my base and long term, so it'll drop down that low. I definitely won't go any lower. I feel like for me, that number's good, plus I still have cats, and from what I know, if you do have cats, this will shorten the life on them. By how much, I'm not sure, but it's definitely dependent on how you do your tune and how often you're making your car pop. Another place I'm suffering in is gas mileage. I do have diff code disabled, and I'm doing the pops a lot, but besides that, everything else has been fine. That's it for this video. This was just supposed to be a demonstration. I've linked Rob's channel and his YouTube video in the description so you can learn how to make your Gen 5 LT do that. If y'all enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.